Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series.
Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we want to discuss about whether we can compare pointers or not, and what does it mean to compare pointers. So basically you can compare pointers using equality and rational operators. But such comparisons are meaningful only if the pointer points to the elements of the same array. Otherwise, if the pointer is pointing to the elements of different arrays, such comparison will be a logic error. And pointer comparison compares the addresses stored in the pointers. For example, we have this array A. The first pointer is pointing to the first element of the A, and the last pointer is pointing to the last element of the A. Now in here we want to solve these questions. First and last pointer is the same. And then we have an equality expression using the pointer values. And if the result of this statement is true, true will be printed. And if it's not true, false will be printed. The same is with the second printf statement. In the second printf statement, we want to say that the first pointer is larger than the second pointer. Whether this is true, our statement is true, or is it not true. So let's go and see what is the result of this program. And as you can see in here, first and last pointers are the same. Well, it's false. They are not the same. Obviously, the first pointer is pointing to the first element and the last pointer is pointing to the last element, and that's why their values are different and our result is false. And the first pointer is larger than the second pointer. Is this correct? This is also not correct, because the first pointer is pointing to the first element of the array, and the position of the last element of the array will be coming later on in memory, and that's why it has a higher value. And that's why we can say that the first pointer is not larger than the second pointer. Indeed, the second pointer or the last pointer has a larger value than the first pointer. And we did all of these comparisons using equality and rational operators and also using pointers. And one of the other common uses of pointer comparison is determining whether a pointer is null or it is not null. So you can basically use the equality operators to compare whether a pointer is null or not. And that's it for this episode. I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to see you in the coming episodes. Stay tuned.